Oh my god, James.
OMG.
Oh my. Hi guys, Theme Park Central here. So today we are at Monk's Walk for our March even update for Monk's Walk. We are really looking forward to it. I'm with Ride Facts today, a bit muddy, but yeah, looking forward to it. I can see the Tetley teacups. Oh my god, I can't wait to get back on the Tetley teacups!
They are still.
Oh my god, James.
OMG.
Oh my
Look
god.
at this.
RMC.
Totally real.
Oh my life.
Touching it. I touched evidence of there being an RMC.
Just touch it.
There's nothing under it. That's that.
Touched an RMC.
Yeah.
Nemesis Inferno.
Show you there
Looks the same. There's no trains on the brake runs, although there was last time. Yeah, they have literally stripped the brake run. The scaffolding has been removed from the 0G road. Just see that. Someone has ripped down, or Thorpe have ripped down, but all of the casing from the things have still been ripped down. You can just about see the Wilderness Bar and Kitchen. Thorpe Park branded smoke fluid. Now we're at the edge of the platform 15. We're now on the bridge, and there is a crane there, but it's not at Thorpe, sadly. Although, we'd be happy if it was. We're now walking back down Monk's Walk from the other way, to see if we can see anything else. Doesn't look like there's much going on. There was a lot more going on last time than there was today, but still, we got a good update in. I'm happy. Yeah, they're getting ready for the opening day, so everything's sort of out of construction now. Nemesis Inferno, the 0G road, hasn't got its scaffolding anymore. So yeah, but head back down and we'll see what else we can see. Yeah,